Expanding to 48 teams and 104 matches across 3 host nations, the 2026 FIFA World Cup operates on a massive logistical scale. Grounding a tournament of this size requires massive physical infrastructure, utilizing some of the largest venues on the continent, like the Estadio Azteca in Mexico City. Historically, managing the action inside these stadiums relied heavily on human judgment. Referees watched muddy pitches and made real-time guesses on fouls and offside calls, leaving the sport highly vulnerable to human error. Today, with billions of dollars tied up in broadcasting rights and global sponsorships, a single missed whistle is a massive financial liability. Relying entirely on the naked eye is a risk the industry can no longer afford. To protect this investment, the modern game is covered by a proprietary net. As we see in this diagram, every inch of the pitch, the ball, and the players is regulated by intellectual property and strictly enforced patents designed to systematically eliminate human error. The central object in the game is the football itself. For decades, companies like Adidas protected iconic balls like the 1970 Telstar using design patents, specifically guarding that famous 32-panel layout from counterfeiters. Modern match balls, however, have transitioned from stitched leather into highly complex, technology-packed hardware. A patented suspension system houses a motion sensor, firing data to officials 500 times per second. Under patent EP 1596945B1, the ball's internal circuit interacts with magnetic cables in the goalposts, triggering an alert that provides absolute mathematical proof of a goal. The ball is an edge computing device dictating the absolute truth of the match. The players kicking that device are also wearing heavily protected IP. Major sports brands secure biomechanical advantages through intricate design patents. For example, European design patent 003-0062-87-0010 protects the specific upper structure of the Nike Magista boot. It integrates a color-coded heat map directly into the fabric to highlight the areas of the foot most sensitive to touch. Beneath those boots is the pitch itself. Hosting 104 high-intensity matches destroys standard grass, which creates unpredictable and unsafe playing conditions. To keep the ground intact, stadiums rely on European patent EP 3029199B1. This animation shows a mechanical process that injects synthetic threads directly into the soil alongside natural grass roots, creating a highly durable hybrid turf. Even the dirt and the shiz are engineered and monopolized to guarantee peak athletic performance and protect the visual quality of the tournament. The officials navigating that hybrid turf are deeply augmented by a web of technology. The modern era of remote multi-camera officiating traces back to a patent held by Hawkeye Innovations, a Sony subsidiary. Their Video Assistant Referee System, or VAR, allows officials to review plays from an isolated control room. Sony's U.S. patent 2025-00373555A1 upgrades officiating by instantly generating 3D skeletal avatars of players to draw mathematically exact offside lines. Once mapped, Sony's tactical AI patent uses this precise joint alignment to calculate the exact mathematical probability of a successful pass or goal. Broadcasters are also bringing audiences directly onto the pitch using referee body cameras. To fix the severe shake caused by a referee sprinting, another patented image processing system uses AI and gyro sensors to electronically stabilize the footage into smooth, broadcast-quality video. Human referees are no longer making isolated judgment calls. They are the physical executors of a vast, patented AI decision-making grid. This technological arms race introduces a major ethical controversy. The algorithms determining the outcomes of the highest-stakes matches on Earth operate as proprietary trade secrets. It is a black box dilemma. The exact source code, the camera calibration data, and the frame selection algorithms evaluating player movement are hidden from the public, and even from the soccer leagues that pay to license them. The economic counterargument is straightforward. Strict patent enforcement is the only mechanism that allows technology companies to safely invest millions into research and development. Without the promise of market exclusivity, the capital required to build systems that eliminate human error simply wouldn't exist. The World Cup features 48 teams of the greatest athletes on the planet, but beneath the surface, it is a fierce competition over the world's most advanced, heavily guarded intellectual property.